you don't know by now, or if you know me at all, this is where I come and give thanks. I look crazy. It's really early in the morning. Oh my god. I'm not even gonna water. I talk to the water. As crazy as that sounds. Yeah, I just love it. This is crazy. I always used to park here. This is the first parking spot to this building. First spot. I would always find it empty and park here. And now, how the heck? I haven't come here in like a year. I didn't do this. Let me explain why this was so crazy and mesmerizing. This butterfly was following me around, as you can see, for like a good 10 minutes, just like circling around. So guys, I'm in a dust storm, no big deal. Look, that person has their hazards on behind me, because we're literally in a dust storm. Let me show you what's going on right now. So here's what we're looking at. It's actually clearer in the camera. You can't really see in real life what's going on for real. I just use the cameras. It's like way more useful. But yeah, here we are in a dust storm. Yeah. Am I entering a heaven right now? Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm going into heaven right now. Everything just disappeared. And it was crazy. That was crazy. Now we're back to normal and the sky is shining bright and everything's beautiful. It's not even windy around here. So there's that. That was fun. It actually really was fun. That was cool. Had the time of my life in there. And yeah. We moved. Oh look, there it is in the back. So yeah. And we moved. So recently I've been super obsessed with something. I'm just gonna show it. Cinnabon, y'all, has had me in a chokehold, really. Ooh, look at her. I promise I normally do not eat this bad. I was just on a roll, I guess. I wanted to get the adult Happy Meal so I could get the little toy and see what it was about. Here's the little toy. I guess. My little cousin Andrew takes his shoes so seriously. Look. So I found these vintage designer heels for $7. Andrew got some bomb new shoes. And we got some high shoes.
Are we done our boots?
Let's see. Let me see.
Like
But the other ones, those little ones.
Oh, the little ones? I like these ones. Yeah, I like
Oh, I like the. Wait.
Hard, huh? Just like take a video so I can just sound like.
Yes, with that outfit. That's cute.
Yeah? I don't think it does, but.
Probably one of the worst things. I'm going to a fashion show tonight. And I can't even wear what I wanted to wear because I ate too much and I'm too bloated to wear it. I refuse to be that big at this event. So now I have to wear something completely different. And I'm sad. I don't know why our own bodies betray us like this. I had the cutest outfit. The cutest outfit. Now I'm gonna look regular. And chunky. Which is fine. It's fine. It's just not what I thought was gonna happen. It's fine. It's fine.